When you have Kidpower, clap your hands.
Hello, I'm Maree. Let's do some kid power. My friends and I thought today would be a really great day to do some appreciation power. Appreciation power? I wonder what that means. What's going on? Who is that? Oh, it's Kidpower Kiwi. Look at you right up close there. Do you want to come back? Then everyone can see your lovely clean shirt. Wonderful. Now, where's your friend? Ah, hello, Kangaroo. Hello, little Joey down there. Now, these two thought we could do appreciation power today because during lockdown, I don't know if you remember this, but Kangaroo and baby Joey needed somewhere to stay because they couldn't get back home. And Kidpower Kiwi and the gang, they decided to invite Kangaroo to stay here with us. And Kangaroo has had quite a lovely time with everybody, haven't you? And baby Joey's felt looked after? That's good, that's important. So we thought today would be a great day for appreciation power, and we can all say how much we've enjoyed having you here. And I know that you wanted to say thank you to us all as well, didn't you, Kangaroo? And the nice thing about appreciation is it feels good inside our hearts. Yes, it does. So remember, next time somebody does something lovely for you, use your appreciation power and say, thank you. Well, I'd like to appreciate you. Thank you all so much for coming along today. Bye.